And when the Queen of Sheba heard about his fame, the fame of Solomon, and his relationship to the Lord, she came to test Solomon with hard questions. His fame and his relationship with the Lord, there's two pieces here. These two pieces, still in our day, are really hard to come by. I had a conversation with a few guys who started pointing this out about whether it was musicians or it was actors or it was even athletes who had a strong Christian foundation, right? And then something happened. Their song blew up, their movie blew up, they were drafted in the NBA, whatever it might be, and then all of a sudden everything's watching. Everybody's watching, everything is given to them, nobody says no to them for any reason, and then they struggle. They struggle in front of everybody, and they're like, well, if Christians are like this, I don't want anything to do with them. Well, it's because the spiritual maturity did not grow at the level that their fame grew. And honestly, I think that's what happened to King Solomon.